It's also the pressure of chasing. That's going to be tight. Vincent's very quick. Good running. He's got that. That is big. That's in the brewery. New ball, please. One of the biggest here at Newlands. 90 metres, they reckon.
That is a very neat piece of work, and on the boundary as well, Shahid Afridi. Bowled. It's virtually a run every time they hit it now to a fielder, and they're going to go back for a second. That's an overthrow.
The field. Misbowled out with the attempt of a direct hit.
Really is coming down quite heavily now.
So this was to be expected. Rain, stop play.
Immediately tucked around the corner, look for a couple, get it comfortably. That's under the ball, Ian Bishop. Sent back. And I think he's got back. And Torfel is going to go upstairs though. Runs have been scored. Knocked down again. No surprises there. Overs. Sweep shot. In front of square. You might gull the man out there. Think about it, they'll get another one. This is where Pakistan sometimes...
Pakistan have committed simple errors. They're mental errors as much as errors in execution. Throwing when they don't need to. Gone! Caught and bowled by Fawad Alam in the Vincent.
Yeah, disappointing he will be. Got to start again. Out for 28. Risman. That's a big shout, and that could be given because, yes, it looks straight. Even with just a quick look here from the commentary box. He's gone for 26. New Zealand find themselves 74 for 2.
Well, the big handle had to come, but it's going to perish. And Styris gone for 19. Straight to cover. It's another catch. The captain takes it, and New Zealand wickets are falling.
Of substance out there. Gone for 10. 87 for 4.
Going back for his second. He's done it again, but has he got enough distance? I don't think he has. Don't think he has. He hasn't. He's gone. That's a big blow again for Pakistan. It's 104 for 5, and McMillan's gone for 12.
Easy. Went very high in the air, allowed Yunus Khan time to get underneath that one.
Edged and gone. A good catch from Cameron Akmal. A great over from Umar Gul.
Takes it well.
But not on Afridi's arm now. There's trouble. There's all sorts of trouble. Chaos. One batsman wanted to go for the second. Daniel Vettori said no. He's gone for naught without facing New Zealand in trouble. 107 for 7.
Difficult. This is a better angle. He's coming towards the screen, dips his head and just dips his head and continues going. He hasn't looked up at all to see where Vettori is, and Vettori just creeps out.
Takes the single. Taylor wants two, could be trouble. The running is all over the place. Did the right thing. Taylor wanted to get back on strike.
Well, Pakistan have showed good composure in the field. They had 3 little errors in the early parts of the innings. But you're right, I think Taylor wanted 2, so that...
Swung away, that's towards the short boundary. That's a big 6 to the grassy bank. A good start to the over from New Zealand.
3 feet and allows the batsman to be able to get under and strike it well, and Taylor has quick hands.
Low full toss, straight up in the air. Cameron Akmal says mine. Gets under it, drops the catch. Run signalled. Chaos in the last few overs at Newlands. It went straight up. I'm wondering if Cameron Akmal was concerned about the stumps. No, he was quite wide of the stumps.
Their top order got starts. Vincent, McCullum, Styris, Fulton, Ross Taylor rescued the innings somehow. Some great bowling by Umar Gul, 3 for 15 in 4 overs, 2 for 29 in 3 overs. Fawad Alam, that's a good team selection, and 1 for 24 Shahid Afridi in his 4 overs.
Wide and driven away. What a start! That'll ease the nerves in the dugout. First ball 4. Well, it could be close with a direct hit. Oh.
I think Ross Taylor was the fielder. He was involved in 2 run-outs, and here was a great chance to redeem himself with a direct hit, and even if
Edged between slip and wicket-keeper.
would go down the throat of the first slip fielder, it was the keeper's catch. He was moving towards his right side.
And he'll make you pay. A real loose half volley. Cut again, man in the gully, gets past him. 4 more.
Was going just a little bit inside the line of that ball, and once again hitting it hard. No chance for the gully fielder, no chance for the man in the deep.
Short and wide, you can't bowl short and wide on this surface. It's got to be fuller, it's got to be straighter. It's close, possibly going down the leg side.
A little high, I think, in the end. Well, not really.
Short, pulled away. All the way for 6. What a shot that is.
Hard for a flat 6. Brilliant batting.
Clean as a whistle. And this has gone for another half a dozen here at Newlands.
Bowler likes to see slower ball across the seam, but the important thing with the technique there, kept the bat on line, went through with the shot.
Now, semi-final stage, that they don't want to be speaking to anyone, so we go back upstairs for that decision.
Well, Bish, the guests you've got are not going to be happy about this. It is 60 for 1.
There's this decision, the ball pitching on-off stump.
Now he is stacked. Here he goes, and he's got all of this one. Good night, it's gone a long way.
Chassis down the wicket, finds the middle of that willow.
And again, it's a low full toss, and this is on its way up to the com box. That is another big blow.
Slogged it straight to the man at long on. Ross Taylor. Oh, New Zealand.
Well, this is not the first time that Ross Taylor has dropped the ball. He's not been in good catching form.
He can have another go. No, he can't. You can watch it going over his head. Nazir gets to his half century. That's a good innings. 38 balls, 4 sixes and 3 fours. Straight over the keeper's head. Oh, goodness me, it's gone for 6. 4. Yes, it's 6, all right, that's a 6. Down on his knees, Patel, yes! He prayed for that decision. Terrific innings from Imran Nazir. 96 for 2. Big appeal. Hawkeye shows it hitting middle and off, halfway down. Yes, inside edge. Smart piece of keeping. Vittori has backed himself and he's got his man.
Didn't read the quicker one from Daniel Vittori, and a very good catch by the keeper.
Gets in and gets going. Diana Vittori will have other ideas. Oh dear, what's happened here?
I think it was probably the throw from the keeper. Lou Vincent, I think, is the one who's been hit by that return from Chetan Patel, and he's down for the count.
Slow ball. Hasn't gone slowly off the bat though, he's got it away for a boundary. Out. Fulton takes the catch. Bond has delivered the sucker punch.
At mid-off. Fulton was the catcher. Afridi is the man who's missed out after hitting a boundary over the cover fielder.
Big shot coming, tries to get it over mid-off, he does. And it goes all the way for 6. Pakistan nearly there. And swatted this straight as you like. All the way. He comes down, he goes, there's a man at deep mid-wicket. The gamble, and he's dropped it. Vittori put the man there. And would you believe it? Umpire just checking whether this went for 4 or not. Looks fine. Down the pitch again, goes big again, goes in the same direction, goes all the way. What a way to win the match. Pakistan team celebrate. All of Pakistan celebrates this cartwheels. The captain, Shoaib Malik, leading from the front, rushed down the wicket and whacked.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सो बिल्कुल फाइनली आपने देखा कि किस तरह से पाकिस्तान जो है वो 2007 जो कि तारीख़ में पहला T20 वर्ल्ड कप था, वहाँ पर पाकिस्तान की किस तरह से परफॉर्मेंस रही, किस तरह से पाकिस्तान ने जो है वो सेमीफाइनल में, जो कि पहला सेमीफाइनल था T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2007 का, जो कि खेला गया पाकिस्तान वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड के दरमियान, वहाँ पर किस तरह से पाकिस्तान ने जो है वो न्यूजीलैंड को शिकस्त देकर सेमीफाइनल के अंदर जो है वो फाइनल में जगह जो है वो रसाई हासिल कर ली। और आपने ये भी देखा और यादें भी, शायद आप सब बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनकी एक यादों का जो पिटारा है वो एक दफ़ा फिर से खुल गया होगा, जो कि 2007 T20 वर्ल्ड कप को अपनी आंखों से लाइव देख चुके होंगे। यानी कि अब से अगर आप हिसाब किताब लगाएं तो तकरीबन लगभग 17 साल पहले की जो हाईलाइट्स थी वो हमने आप तक जो है वो पहुंचाने की कोशिश करी, और आपका जो यादों का पिटारा था उसको एक दफ़ा फिर से ताज़ा करने की भरपूर तरीके से कोशिश भी की, जो कि आपको मज़ा भी आया होगा देखने में, और आपको यकीनन जो आपकी यादें थी वो भी आपकी ताज़ा हो गई होंगी, और आप सबके दिमाग में एक और याद जो है वो बड़ी भरपूर तरीके से ताज़ा हुई होगी, और वो हुई होगी मिसबाह उल हक का वो आखिरी शॉट, जो कि फ़ाइनल में पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया के ख़िलाफ़ एक जीता जिताया मैच एक दफ़ा फिर से जो है वो इंडिया की झोली में रख दिया था। अगरचे वो पाकिस्तान जो है वो मैच जीत जाता, अगरचे मिसबाह जो है वो सामने शॉट मारने में कामयाब हो जाता, तो यकीनी तौर के ऊपर पाकिस्तान शायद वो मैच जीत जाता, और पहला ही T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो कि तारीख में खेला जा रहा था 2007 में, वो पाकिस्तान के नाम होता। अलबत्ता पाकिस्तान ने जो दूसरा T20 वर्ल्ड कप खेला गया 2009 के अंदर, उसको जो है वो जीतने में कामयाबी ज़रूर हासिल की थी, वहाँ पर कामयाब ज़रूर हुआ था, लेकिन जो पहला T20 वर्ल्ड कप था वो भी पाकिस्तान का हो सकता था अगर वो मिसबाह उल हक श्रीशांत की बॉल के ऊपर जो है वो पीछे की तरफ शॉट मारने के बजाय स्ट्रेट खेलते, या फिर जो है वो मिड विकेट की तरफ मारते जहाँ पे उनका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन है, तो शायद वो मैच भी पाकिस्तान जो है वो जीत जाता। अलबत्ता 2007 की T20 वर्ल्ड कप की जो न्यूजीलैंड के खिलाफ जो हाईलाइट्स हैं, जहाँ पर इमरान नज़ीर के फायरवर्क्स आपको देखने को मिले, किस तरह से इमरान नज़ीर जो है वो उस वक्त तबाहकुन बैटिंग किया करते थे, जब एक मॉडर्न डे क्रिकेट जो कि इस वक्त यानी कि 17 सालों के बाद हमें देखने को मिलती है हर खिलाड़ी की तरफ से, इमरान नज़ीर वो खिलाड़ी था जो उस वक्त उस तरह की बैटिंग हमें जो है वो करके देता था, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेट था कि वो एक बड़ी जो है वो बीमारी के अंदर मुब्तला हो गए, और उसके बाद उनको जो है वो पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट से क्या क्रिकेट से ही जो है वो अलहदगी जो है वो अख्तियार करनी पड़ गई। अलबत्ता इमरान नज़ीर अगर अभी भी पाकिस्तान के लिए खेल रहे होते तो शायद एक बड़े मायानाज बल्लेबाजों में उनका नाम लिया जाता, एक बड़े बेहतरीन क्रिकेटर्स में उनका नाम लिया जाता, जहाँ पे जैसा कि आपको पता है कि ब्रेंडन मैकलम का नाम लिया जाता है, उसी तरह से इमरान नज़ीर का भी नाम लिया जाता। और आपने इमरान नज़ीर की जो फायर वर्क्स थे वो देखिए, आपने एंजॉय किए, साथ में मिसबाह उल हक की जो एक बेहतरीन तरीके का कैमियो था जहाँ पर उन्होंने जो है वो इनिंग्स को आगे फिनिश किया, और पाकिस्तान जो है वो ये सेमीफाइनल जीतने में कामयाब हो गया। तो बिल्कुल इसी तरह की हाईलाइट्स जो है वो मज़ीद देखने के लिए, इसी तरह की जो यादों का पिटारा है उसको मज़ीद ताज़ा करने के लिए इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। क्रिकेट रेंज बिल्कुल जो है वो चैनल का नाम है, इसको लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, और आने वाले वक्तों में जो है वो मज़ीद इसी तरह की हाईलाइट्स के लिए भी इंतज़ार करें, और बेल आइकन को लाजमी दबा लिया करें। अपने मेज़बान कासिम मेमन को आप दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अल्लाह ने के बाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।